Hi everyone, my name is Alden Dirks, and this is my web business I put together for B250. I teamed up with my buddy up north. We wanted to put together a web design business, and so we kind of laid out the foundation of what we wanted to do for it. And so basically we offer a cheaper alternative for smaller businesses, mom and pop operations, or different restaurants that don't necessarily have a website and don't have the means to approach a larger web design firm. And they just want like a simple web page that just has an about them or just information to contact them and what their menu items offer, what they offer, or even business hours and different ways to just present themselves and get them out there. It's just something that for them is a little bit out of their reach at the moment, but it's something that they're kind of looking into. We put together our site ourselves using HTML, so it kind of looks a little scarce. We didn't use Wix or anything like that, and it was a little bit of a challenge, though, since we are web designers, we wanted to kind of design it ourselves, and we put together something very simple for class, and we've been working on a little bit of a more complicated design with more information and everything. We just haven't had the opportunity to put that out there yet, since we're working on some back-end development side of things with that, so we can create our own content management system that our customers can use to put their own information on the site if they'd like. So we handle the main design and they can put the information in. We called it DB Net Design. My name's Dirks, his name's Brooks, and so we just kind of put it together with DB Net Design. We made it very simple for our landing page. We just kind of had a simple who we are, an intro, and what we offer, and we offer static dynamic sites, media and graphic design work, dynamic web applications, just different ways, and we put together some images to kind of represent that and some information at the bottom. We kind of finalized and put together some better ways to word some of these things and better places to put the headers and information, so it works better with our keywords in this new version we're going to output here in the next month or so. But that is our homepage right there, and so it's basically our landing page where they first land. We have an About Us section, which we didn't get the chance to put together. It was about us as individuals and some of the tools and knowledge we bring to the team. He does background development, and I do front-end design work, and so customers can see that. And then we have the team. So that was pretty neat. If we did get any customers or if we had any projects, which we really didn't get any of this semester, we were going to present them here so they could kind of get an overview of our past projects and what was going on with that. Over here on the right side, it's kind of getting cut off because of the portal of the screencast, but we have a customer portal where basically the way we generate revenue and information and gain customers is we generate leads, and so if they're interested in it, they can contact us and submit information, and we can reach out to them and start building that repertoire, basically pitching the sale and seeing what they want, and we go through the whole design process from there. Once they do decide to go with us, we put together a login information for them and everything where they can pay us the different fees and everything that we have set up for them with the different packages. There's the upfront cost and then the month-to-month upkeep on the website, and if they need anything different, we cover the hosting and everything with that cost. So they can log in here and basically, if it works, I might have had the wrong username, but they can log in and see how their personal project is going and check it out and see what's working for them, and send us help desk tickets through there. I can't get it working right now, but it throws up a wrong username or password, but basically it has a little layout on what's going on with their website. Some of the tools we use, like I said, was HTML, and we used Photoshop to design some of the logos and everything that was going on and present some layouts. We went through the process like we were our own customers to kind of put together how we would like to present this information. We didn't get a whole lot of interest in our company since some of our keywords weren't competitive enough to compete with the other ads that were out there, and we did get a lot of traffic and a decent amount of clicks, but we didn't get anyone super interested. We had a couple people contact us, and we kind of talked with them a little bit on what they would like, and since we were a newer company and really didn't have anything that would work for them at the time, they they decided to go other direction, which was completely fine by us. But we did learn a lot, and like I said, with our next iteration, we have a lot stronger keywords that we're going to roll out, and a lot stronger ways to present the information, especially with the new CRM and everything. We just kind of revamped it all and learned a lot from this whole process. And we really enjoyed using the keywords and looking at how the site was generating customers and how we were getting people to look into it and everything. And it was really interesting just to kind of see how that whole process was rolled out for us and what was working and what wasn't working. And it was really interesting, really, really great learning opportunity, and especially for a startup business. And within a semester, we're actually going to kind of meet together a lot more often and everything, instead of this being a side thing where I'm down south and they're up north and he's up north. We're actually going to meet together and collaborate a lot more and a lot better and get things rolling out a lot more. We did have the keywords and the titles and the different tags and everything. They just weren't strong enough and weren't working well enough for us. And we did have some social media accounts, but didn't tie them in very well at the beginning. But before our next iteration, hopefully all that will work out for us, and we can use the tools that we've been presented in class with the Google Analytics and AdWords and everything to kind of boost and get ourselves up there a little bit and learn from what we've been doing in class. So that is basically the gist of DB Net Design, or what I've been working on for the last semester, and it was really interesting and a really great opportunity to learn. So thank you so much.